Hello everybody, Mike Brailsford with Brailsford Woodworks. Tonight I'm trying to knock out some bowls because I'm in my first ever craft fair this Saturday, and I've got a lot of, I'd say, middle to high-end product, and I'm going to need some stuff that can be done fairly fast and that can fill in the more economical price point. So I've got tons of bowls still roughed out from 2015, and I've got a couple that I'm working on tonight, a couple white oak bowls that I'm going to try to keep as simple as possible, and something that I can sell for a pretty reasonable price. So let's get started. I want these bowls to remain in the nut and fancy category. And that, my friends, is why I shy away from scrapers. Oak lends itself to the special dark wax that I have, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm not going to finish the bottom until I get the other bowl taken care of. So let me get this one out of the chuck and get the other one in and get started on shaping that one. But I'm pretty happy with that. do believe I'm going to leave that bark inclusion just the way it is. A little bit of a gap there. That'll be all right. Okay, time for more wax. This one's also oak, so more special dark. Okay, that's looking pretty darn good. Now let's get the coal jaws. That's the first one. We'll take a look at them at the end. Okay, this one is done as well. Let's take a look at them both. Both of these are white oak. They both, I think, came from the same tree, right in the same area. Both have bark inclusions. This one actually, I had actually filled this with epoxy back a couple of years ago. I didn't even remember. I couldn't. Forgot I had done it. So yeah, I can see a little bit of red in there, and I finished it with the Special Dark Minwax wax, and it's got a lot of figure in there. That's nice. But these are I won't say I cut corners, but I made these in a way that I can sell them cheaper. I didn't spend as much time on them as I have on other bowls. But I'm still pleased with how they came out. I think people would be happy to have them. Any rate, please, if you like what the videos I've made, please click on one of the other links that'll be above here. And thank you for watching, and please stay safe. Bye-bye now.